This is the practice test for measurements, and here we're looking at problem number 7. And the problem says you are on a business trip in Great Britain. Great Britain uses the pound for currency. The exchange rate is 1 British pound is equivalent to $1.46 US. If you exchange $150 for British pounds, how many pounds will you receive? Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So we want to convert the $150 into British pounds. Now we are given the formula in this second sentence. It says the exchange rate is 1 British pound is equivalent to or equal to $1.46. So that's the formula that we want to use. And we're going to set it up here as a ratio, and we have 1 British pound is equal to $1.46. So we're going to set this up in this manner here as a ratio, and then we're going to solve this using a proportion, and we're going to put the $150 on the bottom on the right hand side because we have the dollars on the bottom on the left. And then we're going to solve for the number of British pounds on top, and we have the same units on the top and the same units on the bottom. Once we have the proportions set up like this, then we look for the two numbers across from one another, the 1 and the 150, and we're going to multiply those, and then we always divide by the leftover number. And when we do this, we're going to get 102 and 739 thousandths, and we have to round money always at the hundredths place, which is the second decimal place to the right of the decimal point. So we're going to round at the hundredths place where the 3 is, and we always look at the digit to the right, and in this case we have a 9, which is 5 or greater, which means we have to round up the 3 to a 4, and this is our final answer, 102.74 British pounds.